Assalamu alaikum. So we are studying the chapter Freedom and Struggle from History, and today we will be studying about some movement and also the reaction of Gandhiji and how Gandhiji gained importance and respect in the society. So first one is Champaran movement. Okay, and this movement was started in Champaran, that is a place in Bihar, in 1917. Champaran movement was started in Champaran, a place in Bihar, in 1917, and the main problem or why the Champaran movement started was only because economic problems happened in between the indigo farmers. എന്ത് പറ്റി ഇൻഡിഗോ ഫാമേഴ്സിന് എക്കണോമിക് പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ഉണ്ടായതിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായിട്ടാണ് എന്ത് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, ചമ്പാരൻ മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ ചമ്പാരൻ മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് വാസ് സ്റ്റാർട്ടഡ് ഇൻ ചമ്പാരൻ ഇൻ ബീഹാർ, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇൻ 1917, ആൻഡ് ദ ഇൻഡിഗോ ഫാമേഴ്സ് ഫേസ്ഡ് മെനി പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ഇക്കണോമിക്കലി അവർക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്തു, ഒരുപാട് പ്രോബ്ലംസ് ഫേസ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വന്നു. ആൻഡ് ഗാന്ധിജി ലോഞ്ച്ഡ് ഫസ്റ്റ് സത്യാഗ്രഹ ഹിയർ, ആൻഡ് ഇൻ ചമ്പാരൻ ഗാന്ധിജി ലോഞ്ച്ഡ് ഹിസ് ഫസ്റ്റ് സത്യാഗ്രഹ. ഗാന്ധിജി അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് സത്യാഗ്രഹം തുടങ്ങുന്നത് എവിടെയാണ്? ഇൻ ചമ്പാരനിലാണ്. അത് ബീഹാറിലെ ഒരു പ്ലേസ് ആണ്. Government appointed a committee, problems of peasants were resolved. So in order to resolve or solve the problems of the peasants economically, government appointed a committee. Why? Because Gandhiji has already launched his satyagraha, so government want to take the initiative and they started a committee, and the problems of the peasants were resolved after the formation of committee. But after the struggle also, Gandhiji continued to help the people. How he helped? After the struggle, he worked for them. So once the struggle was over for the indigo farmers, Gandhiji tried to help them or started to help them, and he continued his struggle for them. And what all things he did? He established primary school, initiating medical aids, and also by involving in cleaning activities. അപ്പോൾ ഈ മൂന്ന് കാര്യങ്ങൾ, അതായത് അവിടെ ചമ്പാരൻ മൂവ്മെൻറ്റ് കഴിഞ്ഞതിന് ശേഷവും ഗാന്ധിജി എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? അവിടുത്തെ ഇൻഡിഗോ ഫാർമേഴ്സിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ സ്ട്രഗിൾസ് കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടേയിരുന്നു. അതിൻ്റെ ഭാഗമായിട്ടാണ് എന്ത് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തത്? പ്രൈമറി സ്കൂൾ ആൻഡ് ഇനിഷ്യേറ്റിംഗ് മെഡിക്കൽ എയ്ഡ്സ് കൊടുക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങി. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ഹി എൻകറേജ്ഡ് ഇൻ ക്ലീനിങ് ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ്. And one more thing that I have to tell you is, I am giving you points so that you can study better. But when you will be writing it in your answer sheet, you have to elaborate it. Just don't write down the points like this. You have to elaborate it and write. Okay? So we were studying about Champaran movement. It started in Champaran, that is in Bihar, in 1917. Economic problems of the indigo farmers were the reason behind the starting of Champaran movement, and Gandhiji launched first satyagraha here, and after that government appointed a committee, and problems of the peasants were solved after the appointment of this committee. And after the struggle, he started to work for them. Once the struggle was finished, Gandhiji didn't go from there. He started to work for them. He started to give them primary school education and initiating medical aids, and also he engaged in some cleaning activities. Okay, next one is Ahmedabad cotton mill struggle. So this one happened in Ahmedabad, that is in Gujarat. It's a place in Gujarat, and the struggle started in 1918. So what was the reason for the struggle? What was the reason behind the Ahmedabad cotton mill struggle? It was cotton mill workers were denied their plague bonus. So So, the reason behind the starting of struggle in Ahmedabad was that the cotton mill workers were denied their plague bonus and Gandhiji used Satyagraha as a tool. And when Gandhiji started the Satyagraha, authorities started to hike the wages, or authorities agreed hike the wages. Okay, so what was Ahmedabad cotton mill struggle? It started in Ahmedabad, that is in Gujarat, in 1918. So what was the reason behind the starting of Ahmedabad cotton mill struggle? It was that cotton mill workers were denied plague bonus. അവരുടെ plague bonus deny ചെയ്തത് കാരണമാണ് എന്ത് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തത്? ഈ cotton mill struggle സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തത്. എവിടെയായിരുന്നു? Ahmedabad in Gujarat, that is in 1918. And Gandhiji used Satyagraha as a tool. So in order to fight against the authorities who stopped giving the plague bonus to cotton mill workers, Gandhiji started Satyagraha. He used Satyagraha as his tool, and after that authorities agreed to hike the wages. Next struggle is, we are studying in order to understand how Gandhiji earned his respect, or what are the struggles that he did for the people of India. Peasant struggle in Kheda. Okay, so Kheda is also a place in Gujarat. So this peasant struggle in Kheda happened in Kheda. It's a place in Gujarat, and the year was 1918. So the farmers faced many problems because of drought and crop failure. Farmers faced many problems because of drought and crop failure. Okay, but even though the farmers were facing problems because of drought and crop failure and they could not earn much, rulers started to collect the tax. Rulers decided to collect the taxes. And after that, again Gandhiji used Satyagraha and asked them not to pay tax. Okay, and after that authorities agreed to reduce the tax. Okay, so what was peasant struggle in Kheda? Kheda is a place in Gujarat, and the struggle started in 1918. The farmers or the peasants, they started to face many problems because of drought and crop failure. So they could not earn much. But even though their income was very low, the rulers decided to collect tax, and they were collecting huge amount from the farmers. And when Gandhiji came to know about the problem, he again used Satyagraha as a tool to fight against these problems and asked them not to pay tax. And he made the people to understand that they don't want to pay that much tax. So the Satyagraha continued, and after that what happened? The authorities agreed to reduce the tax. So they agreed that the farmers don't want to pay high taxes, they can pay low taxes. So that is peasant struggle in Kheda. Okay, So in today's class we have learned about three struggles. First one was Champaran movement, and then Ahmedabad cotton mill struggle, and after that we studied about peasant struggle in Kheda. In next class we'll study about the early struggles led by Gandhiji and the method of protest. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.